now, we have learned about fractions and various types of fractions. Now, let's learn more about fractions. Today, we are going to learn about concept of equivalent fractions. So, let's start the session. Suppose a mother had two children. She bought some pizzas for them. She decided to distribute pizza to them somewhat differently. She took first pizza and divided it into two equal parts. Each part is 1 out of 2, that is 1 by 2. And second pizza in 4 equal parts. Each part is 1 out of 4, that is 1 by 4. She gave one part of first pizza to the girl and two parts of the second pizza to the boy. Do you know who got more pizza? No one got more pizza. Here, they both got the same amount of pizza. It only looks differently. Let's see how. Let us consider 4 circles. Divide the first circle in 2 equal parts and shade 1 part. Divide the second circle in 4 equal parts and shade 2 parts. Divide the third circle in 6 equal parts and shade 3 parts. Lastly, divide the fourth circle in 8 equal parts and shade 4 parts. Here we can observe that the same part of the circle is shaded in all the figure. Thus, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 represent the same part of the circle and are equal. So, here we can say that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. Here all these are known as equivalent fraction. Basically, equivalent means looking different but they are equal. So, equivalent fractions can be defined as fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value of the whole. For example, 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. Here we can say that they are the same in terms of shapes and size but are expressed using different numbers. Now, what would happen if we did not have shapes such as circle and rectangles to refer to? Then how can we find equivalent fraction for any given number? For this, we need to learn this rule. The numerator and the denominator of the fraction are multiplied or divided by the same number. So, by multiplying numerator and denominator of a fraction with the same number except 0, its value does not change. Let's find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get 2 by 4. And by 3, we get 3 by 6. Thus, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Similarly, we even divide the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number to find its equivalent fraction. Let's take 4 by 8. By dividing numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 by 4, and by dividing the fraction by 4 we get 1 by 2. Thus, 4 by 8 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. In the next video, we will learn about conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction and vice versa. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.